What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open or create the Nova bot account. So let's get started. Now first off, you would need to go to click.tradenova.io website and download the Google Chrome extension. Now I will leave the first link in the description below for this website. So once you're on this website, you can just go ahead and click download for Chrome, and that will redirect you to the official extension store listing. So here I already have it installed on my Chrome browser, so I will skip this step. Now once you have it installed, you can exit the Chrome Web Store and go back here onto the official website. And here, once you install the extension, this button will change to connect to Telegram. Now once this changes, you will just need to click connect to Telegram, and then it will redirect you to Telegram. Now for this, you would need to have the Telegram desktop app installed onto your device. So I have it already installed, so I will click Open Telegram Desktop. Now once you click that, you will just need to click continue right here, but I already have an account, so I won't be able to do so. Now once you click continue, you will just need to type /start in the chat, or click on this menu and select the first option, which is start. Once you click start, you will be on the waitlist. So if you want to skip the waitlist, you can either use the first link from the description that led you to the official website, which has the access code integrated, or you can use the access code right under that link. Now if you want to use the access code, you would just need to click enter access code and then just paste it over just like this. So once you paste over the access code, you would be welcome to the Nova bot. So welcome to Nova, all-in-one fast trading platform. So from here, your Nova account has been created and you can start using it. So here you have the Nova bot menu, which allows you a lot of different features. So you can just get acquainted with the bot from here. So that's guys how you can open or create a Nova bot account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.